Did you know that once temperatures drop, many of those trusty organic granular fertilizers just stop working? Yep, they need a certain temperature, around 60 degrees Fahrenheit, to break down properly and feed your plants. In today's video, I'm going to share three simple strategies for fertilizing your fall garden, even when it gets chilly. If you're new here, welcome to Grow, Plan, Live. I focus on organic gardening and life planning, especially for beginning gardeners and new planters living in small spaces. If you're like me, gardening in a small backyard, raised beds, or even containers, you know how important every little fertilizer choice is. In order to fertilize our gardens properly, we must balance the NPK ratio. So, what exactly is the NPK ratio, and why do we care as gardeners? The N stands for nitrogen. It fuels leafy green growth. The P is for phosphorus. It supports strong roots and flowers. The K is for potassium. It helps improve the overall plant health and disease resistance. Different plants prefer different ratios of NPK, and some plants need more of one of the three at different stages. If you're wondering which fall plants prefer which type of fertilizer, I have a free guide, the Fall Fertilizer Cheat Sheet for you. The link is in the description. See these three numbers on the bag? That's your NPK. This organic 4-4-4 fertilizer has equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It's like a secret code that tells you exactly what your plants need. Since fall is a mixture of both cool and warm weather, which warm weather options do we carry from summer into fall? For organic gardeners, blood meal is a high nitrogen fertilizer. Bone meal is high in phosphorus and calcium. And as I mentioned earlier, we have balanced fertilizers that are equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now that we've looked at granular fertilizers, let's look at a liquid fertilizer. This one is the Alaska fish fertilizer. It's high in nitrogen, similar to the blood meal. So what can we do to effectively use our warm weather fertilizers in the fall? Whenever you fertilize your garden, you apply the fertilizer first and water second. We call this watering in. One tactic is to slightly warm the water before you apply it to the soil. This will probably buy you about 10 degrees. Our second tactic is to use a liquid fertilizer like Alaska fish food. Liquid fertilizers are water soluble, which means your plants can take them up right away. No waiting around for microbes to do their thing. This is where I need your help. So far, for organic gardening, the Alaska fish food appears to be the gold standard. It's great for vegetables that need a lot of nitrogen, but I haven't yet found an organic liquid fertilizer that is balanced or is high in potassium, high in phosphorus, or high in potassium and phosphorus that also has great reviews. Have any of you found a good quality organic liquid fertilizer that is either balanced or is high in potassium and or phosphorus? Let me know in the comments. Tactic number 3, convert granular fertilizer to a liquid fertilizer. There are a few ways to do this, and I'll be trying this conversion in a future video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to pick up your free fall fertilizer cheat sheet that breaks down NPK basics, which fertilizers to use for which crops, and more. It's designed to hang in your garden shed, storage room, or to tuck into your garden journal. You can grab the free guide in the link in the description. Please give me your suggestions for liquid organic fertilizers and also let me know what you're growing this fall. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.